Welcome to Echoes of the Wild, where nature reveals its beauty one breathtaking moment at a time. Today, we explore the incredible world of aquatic life, from vibrant coral reef creatures to powerful giants of the deep. Whether they glide, crawl, swim, or drift, each of these over 20 animals plays a unique role in the underwater world. Some you'll know, others may surprise you. Let's begin. Dolphin. Dolphins are some of the most intelligent animals on the planet. They communicate through clicks, whistles, and even body language. Found in oceans around the globe, they use echolocation to navigate and hunt. And yes, they really do love to play. Shark. There are over 500 species of sharks, from the graceful hammerhead to the massive great white. Found in oceans worldwide, including off the coast of Africa, sharks are apex predators, fast, silent, and deadly. While not all are dangerous to humans, species like the great white and tiger shark demand serious respect. These are not fish you want to surprise. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have been swimming Earth's oceans for over 100 million years. They migrate thousands of miles and always return to the same beach to lay eggs. Found in warm waters worldwide, including along African coasts, they are gentle, slow, and seriously wise-looking. Octopus. The octopus is a master of disguise. With three hearts, blue blood, and arms that can act independently, it's one of the most intelligent invertebrates alive. It can squeeze through tiny crevices, mimic other sea creatures, and even open jars. Think of it as the ultimate escape artist. Jellyfish. No brain, no heart, no problem. Jellyfish have been floating in Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. Some can glow, others can sting, and one species is considered biologically immortal. They are hauntingly beautiful, but not to be touched. Clownfish. Made famous for a certain animated movie, clownfish lives in sea anemones and are immune to their sting. Here's a quirky fact: all clownfish are born male. Some later change into females depending on their social group. Nature has a sense of humor. Whale. From the massive blue whale to the vocal humpback, whales are true ocean giants. The blue whale is the largest animal to ever exist, larger than any dinosaur. Their calls can travel across entire oceans, creating underwater symphonies we are just beginning to understand. Seahorse. Found in shallow tropical waters, including off the African coast, seahorses are one of the few species where the male carries the babies. They swim upright, have excellent camouflage, and look like something out of a fairy tale. Small, delicate, and totally unique. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they're incredible swimmers. Found mostly in the southern hemisphere, including South Africa, penguins use their wings like flippers to speed through cold waters. On land, they waddle awkwardly, but underwater, they're sleek torpedoes in tuxedos. Stingray. Closely related to sharks, stingrays move with a gentle, rippling motion. They often bury themselves to sand to hide from predators or unsuspecting swimmers. Their tail can deliver a painful sting, but they are peaceful by nature. Crocodile. Saltwater and Nile crocodiles are among the most dangerous reptiles on Earth. Found in Australia, Southeast Asia, and much of Africa, they are strong swimmers and ambush predators. Crocodiles can launch themselves out of water with explosive speed. Don't be fooled by the lazy sunbathing. They are pure muscle and instinct. Manatee, also called sea cows, manatees are slow-moving herbivores found in warm coastal waters like Florida, the Caribbean, and parts of West Africa. They spend most of their time grazing on seagrass. Peaceful, round, and always eating, manatees are the gentle giants of shallow waters. Seal. Seals are found in cold and temperate waters, including off the southern coast of Africa. They are clumsy on land but incredibly agile in water. With big eyes, whiskers, and playful personalities, seals are ocean puppies with a serious set of flippers. Hermit crabs. Hermit crabs don't grow their own shells. Instead, they borrow discarded ones and switch homes as they grow. Sometimes they even line up in size order to exchange shells. Underwater housing markets, alive and well. Hippo. Hippos are surprisingly aquatic. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, they spend most of their day in rivers and lakes to stay cool. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes, and they even sleep submerged, automatically resurfacing to breathe without waking up. But don't let their lazy look fool you. They're one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Axolotl. Native only to lakes around Mexico City, the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, remains in its larval form for life. It has the ability to regrow limbs, lungs, and even parts of its brain. With its permanent smile and pink frills, it's one of the cutest anomalies in aquatic biology. Bat ray. Bat rays can be found along the Pacific coastlines, especially along California. They glide smoothly with wing-like fins and often swim in groups. They dig in the sand for clams and crustaceans, using powerful jaws to crush shells. Think of them as silent underwater vacuums. Mantis shrimp. This small creature packs a punch, literally. The mantis shrimp strike in the animal powerful enough to break glass. Its eyes can see polarized light and an array of colors humans can't even imagine. Even cooler, it camouflages beautifully into coral and reef terrain. Nature's ninja in full color. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks are powerful, curious, and considered one of the most dangerous sharks to humans. Found in tropical and subtropical waters, including around Africa, they get their name from the stripes on their bodies. They'll eat just about anything, even metals and tires. Definitely not picky. Dragon moray eel, One of the most striking eels in the ocean, the dragon moray is rare and vibrantly colored. Found in the Indo-Pacific, it hides in coral crevices during the day and hunts at night. With its wild pattern and dragon-like face, it looks like a mythical creature brought to life. Zebra eel. This shy, striking eel has bold black and white stripes, resembling a zebra. It prefers to stay hidden among rocks and coral. Native to the Indo-Pacific region, it's less aggressive than other morays and mostly feeds on crustaceans. Quiet, patterned, and polite. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure through some of the planet's most fascinating aquatic creatures. From playful dolphins to the powerful shark and the mysterious dragon moray, the world beneath the waves is as diverse as it is breathtaking. If you enjoyed this journey, like the video, share it with a fellow nature lover, and subscribe for more stories from the wild world around us. This is Echoes of the Wild, where nature flows wild and free.